you doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely day. Oh my gosh, the day is so bright. I'm literally looking out the window. It is a beautiful day out. I really want to go out and get some vitamin D, but you know, I thought I would do this quickly before I go get my tan out. You know, if you're new to my channel, you are welcome to this channel. If you are new to this video, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Okay, so if you remember in my last video, I talked about a semi-permanent brow product that I used, which was from BPerfect, and well, I decided to do another video to basically kind of do a review. So it's almost like my very first review video, which is amazing, which is great, which is fun. I'm just so excited to just dive into it, you know. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into this video, ciao. Okay, so as you can see, I have already done my makeup. If you want to see how I normally achieve this, my highlighting and contouring, there is a semi-detailed video. I will link it in one of these corners. So click on the link and have a look at the video, and hopefully you'll be able to get some information with regards to how I conceal, highlight and contour. Oh, dokily. Right, so let's get into it. So we are going to be talking about the BPerfect Cosmetics semi-permanent brow. Okay, so the brow product is semi-permanent. They say it's water resistant, smudge proof, sweat proof, and also lasts for 24 hours. You know. So the kit contains 4 eyebrow stencils, 1 eyebrow powder in chocolate, that's the one that I got, the shade that I got, and 1 dual end applicator brush. So this is what's in the brow kit. As you can see, you've got your stencils, you got your eyebrow powder, and you've got your dual end applicator brush. I did talk a little bit about these products in my previous video, but I'm going to sort of delve into it a little bit more. You know, it had a brush which was perfect, but because end of the brush is quite thick, so obviously for me anyway, it's not ideal for me to use to apply the product on my brows. I tend to use a brow brush. Also, you've got the stencils, which is also really good. Okay, for those of you that don't know what eyebrow stencils are, they're pretty much like eyebrow that has been cut out. As you can see, there is the brow shape that has been cut out already. These stencils are quite good because they've got ones that's for thin brows, bold brow, and then there's one that's defined brows and natural looking brows. So these stencils are pretty much available to help people who struggle to get a nice defined brow, people like me. Okay, so going into the actual product in chocolate, I'll swatch it. So it comes in a powdery form. Yes, so let's go into this application. Okay, so like I said, I am going to be using my Morphe eyebrow brush for this application. Okay, so I usually just start from the high point of my brow, moving towards the tail of my brow. Using powder is actually very different for me, and I can't talk whilst I'm doing it. That's why I'm having to stop and talk. Also, I have to have the mirror right up my face, right up in there. It's get in there, mate. You know what I mean? It is showing up pretty good. I'm quite impressed with this. looks of it, it does look like it's buildable, so you can obviously add on. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that now. Now I'm just gonna brush it all in, sort of to blend it all in. Oh my gosh! Wowie wow. That's pretty amazing. Okay, so my brows are done. Huh. I don't even know if I'm feeling the way they look right now. But you know what? I don't care. Okay, so now I'm just gonna clean up my brows. The powder that I used for my foundation and just blend out the top bit so it sort of blends in. Okay, so I'm gonna go away and do the rest of the makeup, and I shall be back. Okay, so welcome back. Okay, so obviously my makeup's now complete. Right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this brown powder, shall we? So it says it is water resistant, smudge proof and sweat proof and lasts up to 24 hours. Okay, so I am going to... Ooh! Okay, BPerfect, you might be onto something here now. Raw, that legit isn't even budging. That legit is not coming out. BPerfect. You be perfect, girl. Yes, hunty. Oh. Okay, so that's very impressive. The fact that it literally isn't smudge proof. Oh yeah, I am very sold on this one. Okay, so when I purchased this kit. Actually, I purchased it quite a while ago. When I bought it from the BPerfect Cosmetics website. I think there must have been a deal going on. I paid £17.49 for the kit. But now looking online, it is now currently at £24.99. Yeah, it's... I don't really know if price wise I have no comment. To be honest, like I'm not too sure what the prices of other products that are similar to this are, so I can't really say, you know, and I haven't really used a lot of smudge proof, sweat proof 24-hour lasting eyebrow powders, whatever. So I can't really say with regards to the price. But £24.99 I think is a little bit high, to be honest, because that's a couple pounds cheaper than Fenty Beauty foundation. Yeah, okay. So they have 4 different shades. They've got a brown shade, which is best suited for blonde and medium brown hair people. Irid brown. It's spelled I-R-I-D. And that one is for defined brows. The first one is for natural brows. Second one is for defined brows. Best suited for medium brown with subtle red tones and auburn hair people. And the chocolate, which is the one that I use, is for strong definition brows. It's a dark brown shade and it's best suited for warm blonde and dark brown haired individuals. And the last shade is charcoal for high definition brows and is best suited for silver, ash blonde, dark brown and black hair individuals. I really love this eyebrow powder. It says it's 0.14 ounces. So yeah, it does seem like it's quite a lot, and it seems like it will last long as well. One thing I noticed actually was fallout. When I dipped my brush in the product and put it straight on my brows without dusting off the excess, I noticed some fallout, which is kind of expected for powder products. But then, like I said, it is buildable, so you don't have to pack on a lot of products at one go, if that makes sense. So you can obviously put it little by little. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, because I genuinely enjoyed making it. I couldn't wait to review this product, and I'm so excited now that I've done it. I'm sure there's lots of people that have reviewed it already. I'm sure I'm like 100 years late, but you know what, better late than never. Yeah, so thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video, comment below, let me know what your favorite brow product is, if it's waterproof, if it's smudge proof, if it's more affordable, or if it's on the high end. I would really like to try out new products. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I am going to aim at putting out videos probably once a week. Try that for now and see how that works. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Ta-ta!